Hazardous conditions on roads continue in the aftermath of the snowstorm. Plow crews are out right now. They will continue to work through the morning commute. Bill Folsom tracking conditions for us at this hour. He's live on the northwest side of the Springs. Bill?
Yeah, Rob, there is a wide range of conditions right now. It especially started changing after the sun went down, and conditions like this road where it was slushy a while ago, well, they are now turning icy. There was some melting on heavily traveled roads today. It was also overcast with low clouds most of the day, so sun was not hitting roads and they did not dry. Crews are now dealing with refreeze. Plows in Colorado Springs on the move with a strategy to adjust as conditions change through the night.
Some areas may require additional materials. Some areas may still need a plow dropped on the ground, and some areas may not. We're going to address things and based on a case-by-case scenario.
The snow stopped. What it left behind is snowpack slush, and where it melted, the pavement is still wet.
We're not getting any sun. We have a lot of fog and it's overcast.
It means the weather variable impacting overnight conditions most is temperature.
Precipitation's already here. It's overcast. It's not going to dry out until we get some sunshine. So until that point, we need to be aware of temperatures, and just dropping even a few degrees below freezing can make a significant impact to traction on roadways.
Street crews will do passes over roads multiple times. They could drive over once and not need to do any kind of treatment. Then as it gets colder, see the need to drop their plow blade or spread some de-icing material.
We will have crews in all throughout the night and AM hours.
And take that information from the snow plowing crews as a cue to you. You may have gone home tonight on a road that was just fine, maybe wet. It could be very different on that same road if you're going out tomorrow during that commute. Also know it did snow in neighborhoods. They are snowpacked, but it wasn't enough accumulation for plows to go in there. So neighborhoods, they're going to have to wait for the sun to do the clearing. In Colorado Springs, Bill Folsom, News 5.
Bill, thank you. There's a new